Hey, welcome to Grill and Smoke BBQ. I'm Jeffrey. I guess you could say I'm back from my holiday vacay from YouTube. And now it's time to start 2022 off. And we're going to start 2022 with a real simple and easy cook. We're just going to do some lemon pepper chicken thighs on the Char-Griller Gravity 980. I'm not going to overtalk it. Let's do it. So as I said, we're gonna be doing some chicken thighs. I got these from my local HEB. And like I said, it's gonna be quick and easy. So let me show you this, how quick and easy it's gonna be. So we're gonna coat these with some spray oil using canola oil. This is gonna be used as our binder. The oil should also help crisp up the skin as it's cooking. And you can just grab your whatever favorite lemon pepper seasoning, or you can make some at home yourself. Really, however you want to do it. And this is going to be your basic backyard cook. So I'm not going to sit and trim these. I'm just going to do them exactly how they came, just to show y'all how easy this can be. Then we're going to flip it, do the same with the other side. All right, that part's done. I'm gonna let this sit for a minute while I'm getting the Char-Griller Gravity 980 up to temp. We're gonna put it on there. See you at the grill. Okay, so grill is up to 350. I'm just gonna sit this in here. And I'm gonna check back on these in about 20 minutes. Okay, so we're 20 minutes in. I'm gonna take a look. What I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna spray this with some spray butter. This will help the skin. And I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna flip it over as well. And we let it go for another 20 minutes. Okay, it's been 20 more minutes, total of 40 minutes. And we're gonna spray this again with some spray butter. And we're gonna flip it again. We're gonna give them about 20 more minutes after this. And they should be done. All right, so we've been on a total of an hour. I'm gonna go ahead and check the temp. We're at 168, 158, 166. I like to get my thighs to 180, 185. So I'm gonna let these go a little bit longer. Hey, welcome back. The cook is finished now. It took me 80 minutes or an hour and 20 minutes to get to the 185 temp for these thighs. I let them sit for a few minutes because I don't want to burn my face off while I do my taste test. So I'm not gonna hold y'all up any longer. Let's go on and get to that taste test real quick. So as you can see, got some juice running off, but we're about to find out how good this chicken is. Let's go ahead and give this a taste. Mm. Man, that is good. Love lemon pepper. But you can see though, the skin, perfect. Bite through, not rubbery at all. And that's what happens when you do the spray butter and stuff at the right times. Makes that skin great. But all I can say now is thank y'all for joining me today. 2022 is going to be a great year, hopefully, for this channel. And we make things happen. Try to give some more giveaways, like follow up on that Christmas giveaway I just did. And if you're new to the channel, thank you for stopping by. If you're already subscribed, thank you for coming back. But if you are new, go ahead and take a moment, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell so you get notified when I put out new content, and hit that thumbs up whether you're a new subscriber, old subscriber, or thinking about subscribing. It helps the channel when you do that. Outside of that, I just want to say thank you. Have a happy 2022, and I'll see you next time. I'm out. Peace.